week and focus on how to insert video into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. So you might have video in here for a number of reasons. Maybe you've created a manual of sorts, product, training, whatever, and you want to put a video that you've made associated with a particular topic. So as an example, I ran an Excel Intermediate Advanced course, and I would like to add a video here that discusses, let's say, some of these functions, just right next to the little function outline area. So to do this in Acrobat, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Tools button along the side. You're going to go down to Content, and under Content you have a Multimedia button. And if you click Multimedia, there's an option here of video. Notice you can put in sound, flash file, or a 3D object. So I'm going to choose video, and then my cursor changes, expecting me now to insert a video. So I'm going to go ahead and click and hold and drag an area I would like the video to appear in. When I let go, it pops up and it says support notice. It tells you what files are supported. And then I can actually select a file. So I'm going to go to Browse. On my desktop, I have a video I want to use. Now, when we choose Insert Video, there are advanced options. So if I put a check mark in Advanced Options, there's some here worth talking about. So you have Launch Settings, and it says Enable when the content is clicked, meaning it will play the video when you click the video. You can set it to the page containing the content is opened, so when they go to the page, or when the page containing the content is visible, meaning the video is visible on their screen. Disable when, you can choose Disable Content from the Context menu. That's a right click. The page is closed, or the content is not visible. Then you can choose the playback style. You can either play it directly on the page, or you can play it in its own window. I'm just going to choose to play it directly on its own page. You can choose a border. You can choose a poster, and that's the image that will be displayed where the video is. It just grabs a thumbnail from the image currently, but you could have your own poster for it that has a custom, play button in an image or whatever it might be. Then you have controls. You can choose what types of controls you want. If I just want a play button, if I want play, seek, and mute, if I just want play and mute, you can choose what controls you want. And you can even specify the color of those controls. You can pick the color there, as well as the opacity of the controls. And then in the video, you do have the option on some videos to add in cue points. These are like chapter settings. If you had a very long video, it'd be nice for the user to be able to skip to different areas of the video using chapters. So I'm going to click OK to this. It inserts the video. You notice my multimedia button's no longer selected. So if I wanted to modify it, I'd go to multimedia again, I'd choose video, and then I can drag it, move it around the page, I can resize it. We can do whatever we'd want with it. If I wanted to actually test the video, well, that would require me getting the hand tool. If I click the video, I'm just going to turn down my sound here. There you can see the video is playing directly in Acrobat. And this is the skin I chose. I just had a play and a pause button. Also volume controls. And depending on what skin you pick, that'll determine what shows up there. If you want to delete the video or edit the video, again, you got to go back to the multimedia button, choose video, and then with your mouse you can right click on it and choose properties. It's going to pop up those same controls we saw earlier. Or if you wanted to delete it, you can simply click on it, hit delete on your keyboard, and it removes it from the PDF. So that's how easy it is to get your multimedia content and videos into a PDF.